Definitely in the thick of preserving season, and that's okay because work now, rest later, eat later. So as you can see, it is about 7 o'clock in the morning. We're gonna get all of our corn harvested and put away today. Look at these pretty blooms early in the morning. And I've saw quite a few bees on them, so that's good. I can hear them buzzing right now. Right there's one. Let's see. Yep. So pretty. They're doing their job this morning. Start shucking them over here.
Well, we can do that down there because we have to pitch that over the creek.
Okay.
Just throw it in there. I'll throw it over the side of that creek. We'll do that.
What? Oh. Thought I saw a snake. So this is day 2 of picking corn and we are still not finished. Let me show you what all we got. And we still have all that, probably 3/4 of the garden left to pick. And we got another wheelbarrow, and this is a big one. Let me show you. It's one of the big ones. And two 5-gallon buckets.
That's heavy.
You want to get the other one? No way, just want to get that first. So we're starting on day 2, and we're just going to shuck them, clean them, cut them off because I freeze most of it, but I'm going to make some pickled corn and I'm going to can a few batches, but I like it mostly frozen. So we're back for, I guess you would say, round 4 in the garden for the corn. We got that finished. So total we have put up 100 bags of corn so far, but we're gonna go right now and get right around 80 to 100 ears of corn. Some I'm gonna put in the fridge for fresh eating next week. I'm not gonna shuck them or anything. And then some 5 dozen I'm gonna give to my mom. But we are about to get the corn wrapped up for 2023. It's getting hot too. It's almost 11 o'clock. It's supposed to be 90 today, so we're wanting to get it done early. So I'm gonna stay here in this barn hall for a few minutes and cool off. This has always got the best breeze. I don't care if it's 100 degrees out. There's a wonderful breeze comes through this barn hall. But we are gonna try to finish the corn today. I have beans that still need to be canned. I have them broken in the fridge. And I also have already processed and got the tomatoes ready. So I've got 4 rounds of salsa that needs to be done today, plus 3 5-gallon buckets. Now some of the tomatoes are not ready yet, so I may have a few days on them. But we are definitely in the thick of preserving season, and that's okay, because work now, rest later, eat later. So we're back in the garden for the second time this Saturday. It's about 4 hours later. It's now 11. Much better view here. It was foggy this morning, but it's much hotter. We're gonna get this done. We're gonna get this 7 dozen picked and be done with it for, well, till this evening. Then we'll finish it, hopefully. Are we pulling them as we go or not? Yeah. Those are tiny. You can't even count them. Whoa, you done that at my face. 64. 68. 69. 70. So we got 86 ears. I'm gonna give my mom 5 dozen, and then I'm gonna put 2 in the fridge. I'm not gonna shuck them or anything in the bottom of the fridge. So we're gonna bag up this corn in an old feed sack. Oh, we just dump it? You can't even see because you're over there in the corner. Right now, I'll just take that one home. Take that for Mom. These are great too, if you're giving away corn or selling on whatever. So we've got a ton of these from feed. They probably can't hear that. So you can see we just finished. It's 8:44 p.m. I'll show you my other deep freezer is completely full. So here's one deep freezer. So we put up 140 bags, 140 quarts of corn. And here's the other deep freezer.